So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Bluetooth headphones on your Xbox Series X, S, or even Xbox One. So the first thing you do, you need your Bluetooth headphones connected to your tablet or your phone. Then you download the Xbox app through the Google Play Store or even iTunes Play Store, or whatever fucking Android is. 2, click Start Party. We're just gonna skip that for now because it's time to write someone. Which we are gonna allow Mike. First time I'm doing this on the tablet. Whereas now, my audio should be picking up through my headset. Make sure that it is. Hello. So yes, and now the my headset is picking up through the my headphones now instead of the microphone. Pretty sure that it is. Hello. I don't remember. I can't remember if there's a new one. No, there's not. Whereas now, if I have the Bluetooth headphones over here, whereas now, oh man, the mix is too good now. But anyway, that is one way. The second way, which now we're going to leave the party for, and the second one would be to go home, go tap towards you, look at the console, and then we can click on Okay, so they moved it to the website version of the Remote Control Play, which looking for me, I downloaded like a link, so it like converts into like link app. From here, I want to switch over from cloud gaming to Remote Control. So the console I want to use. Which now is playing, or should be playing. There we go, our console. Now, if you don't need your friends in the party chat, all you want to do is to make sure this is unmuted. Because by default, for some unknown reason, it pops up is muted. I want to make sure that's unmuted. You know, I think that's just. Well, it pops up muted, not unmuted. So now we go to the party. Like now. As like now, I'm able to talk through my headset, and like people are able to hear me through my headset, like, and I'm able to game. I'm able to hear my game audio. I'm able to hear the party chat. But yeah, that's another way to do it. Or if you're using like online cloud gaming game, then I'll show you that way, just in case if you're as well, just to cover off bases. I'm assuming the game it doesn't need control because it can't be asked to load control. There you go, Sniff Speed Remaster. again, we want to what we want to do is make sure that's unmuted. Go to chats, create a new chat. No. What the fuck are they doing here? It's the pie, that's what I do. I want to start pie. So we just go back, shut that. It just says, oh, it's because I just created a pie. So now you can see my, now you can see once again my headset is talking. Again, you always make sure that your mic is unmuted. But yeah, it's that simple. I know now you make sure your mic is unmuted. Just don't be with the microphone. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. A little quick one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.